Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the front of the packages. These are the packages that I have received replies as soon as I taped those, taped the last message that no one was replying. So Sayad, she replied back, thank you. So this is your package. And, okay, let me see. Oops. Lora, she replied back. I think from Bulgaria. Yeah. And then this one in my hand is for, I'm not going to show the address. I don't want to show you the address. But let me see if I can do this. Yeah. Tracey, yeah, your package is on your way, and you are from England. Yeah, so just turn the back of the package, and these are the packages that are ready to go, and I already shipped 2, and I will show you what else I have. Okay, these are the yarn that are ready to be shipped, but waiting for the reply so I can get the address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more bags left. So I'm waiting for the replies, and I might add 2 more. I'm adding this one too. Remember I said I loved it, but I have so much yarn. So this is going as well. Okay, so please reply to me as soon as possible so I can ship these packages. And I have 2 more extra I might add. Depends on my budget, right? Okay, so please reply to me as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Happy knitting, happy crocheting.